Meteorologist Matthew East here with you, February 16th, Tuesday edition of the Carolina Weather Video here. We'll start off with a look at News 14 Carolina Interactive Radar. This is a neat tool. It's available on our website, news14.com. Check it out. Not only can you look at radar, you can look at satellite imagery, a lot of other things as well. And I'll be showing you this a lot during the upcoming tropical season as well. A lot of neat features that you can look at with the tropics with this as well. In terms of the radar this morning, you have some snow showers moving through parts of the Ohio Valley down into the Tennessee Valley, some snow in southern New England with this departing area of low pressure. Here's the water vapor imagery and a big upper level low pinwheeling off to our north. That brought the rain with a little snow on the northwest edge across our region yesterday. Surrey and Yadkin County picked up a little snow with that yesterday morning. And then just sort of some pockets of snow showers through the Tennessee Valley as we went through yesterday evening. Even a couple of rain, snow, and sleet showers moving through parts of the Piedmont of North Carolina yesterday evening. But that's all pretty much over now. And we're into a pretty quiet pattern for the rest of this week. Sort of a respite from the active storm track for the rest of this week. But it will return. And I think things get pretty unsettled again next week. Today will be a breezy and cold day, highs upper 30s to lower 40s, winds maybe gusting 25 miles an hour or so. Similar day tomorrow, touch warmer, probably low to mid 40s for Wednesday, still way below average. The average highs in the 50s, you got to keep that in mind. So we're significantly below average temperature-wise. And here we are to Thursday. Probably mid to maybe some upper 40s for highs on Thursday. Friday, it looks like upper 40s, possibly a few lower 50s. Things a little bit questionable in terms of the weekend forecast. Occasionally the GFS has brought some rain chances in over the weekend. I still have not really bought into that. I brought some clouds in this weekend, but I've kept the forecast dry. But just keep in mind, at some point we might have to add some shower chances in there. The GFS now, the 60 run, takes the Monday system up to the Great Lakes. With a lot of its previous runs, it's kept that system on a pretty far south track, and most other modeling is much farther south with that overall. But the latest run takes this thing up to the Great Lakes, so a lot of uncertainty with the track of that Monday system. It looks like the Monday will probably be our next significant chance of widespread precipitation. I want to show you this real quick. This is the Arctic Oscillation, and the black line here at the top panel, that is the observed AO, and here we are right now. That's the current. So strongly negative, and the ensembles keep this thing strongly negative, and that's a good indication there's going to be a lot of cold air available. And I think overall we're going to stay in a cold pattern, and it's only probably going to get a little colder with time eventually as we get toward the end of the month, as we'll get some Arctic source region air sort of plunging back into North America again. So let's take a peek at this 0Z run of the GFS out toward the longer range here, and it looks like there's going to be a pretty significant system at some juncture next week, but the track and the timing of that's still a bit in question. And overall, again, I think we're going to get back into an active southern branch of the jet stream beginning next week. Here we are out at the 3rd of March, another storm system, cold air around, so I don't think by any means we've finished with cold air and occasional storm systems. So probably we have yet to see our last winter weather threat here across the region. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a great Tuesday, and God bless.